Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how you can log in your Ticketmaster. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, all you need to do is simply tap open your Ticketmaster app. So once you tap it open, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do now is simply tap on accept all. After you do this, you need to tap on next and then tap on next once again and tap on sign in or create account. After tapping on it, to log in into your account, all you need to do now is simply be redirected to this kind of interface. So once you're in this interface, all you need to do is simply type in your email address and then type in the password of your account. After doing this, you need to tap on the remember me option and then simply hit the sign in option. Once you have done this, you will get signed in or logged in into your Ticketmaster account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.